SOA XMP Practice Question 79. The annual number of service disruptions a telecommunications company experiences are analyzed over 3 years. Define the following events. Event A, the event that the company experiences no disruptions in all 3 years. Here I use the notation 0, 0, 0 to denote the outcome of event A. This is the only outcome. No disruptions in all 3 years. So 0 disruption in the first year, 0 disruption in the second year, and 0 disruption in the third year. And then event B, the event that the company experiences exactly 1 disruption in the third year. So we have B, and then the outcome. For the first 2 years, any number of disruption will do. So I put the asterisk for the first and the second position. And then there is exactly 1 disruption in the third year, so the third number is 1. And then event C, the event that the company experiences at least 1 disruption in the first year. The first number in event C must be greater than or equals to 1, and then it doesn't matter what the numbers are for the second and the third position. Event D, the event that the company experiences no disruptions in the second year. The second number in outcome D is 0. And then event E, the company experiences no disruptions in the first year and at least 1 disruption in the second year. So we have the form 0, and then the second position greater than or equals 1, any integer. And then the third one, any integer from 0 to infinity. We need to determine which 3 events satisfy the condition that the probability of their union equals the sum of their probabilities. That is, we want to get the 3 events that are mutually exclusive. Let's take a look at the event. Events A and B are clearly mutually exclusive. For event A and event B, for event B, the third number is 1, while for event A, the third number must be 0. So event A and event B cannot occur simultaneously. And then event A and event C are mutually exclusive as well. But event B and event C are not mutually exclusive. We can get an outcome that are common to event B and event C. For example, 2 disruptions in the first year, no disruption in the second year, and 1 disruption in the third year. This outcome belongs to both event B and event C. And then for event D is not mutually exclusive with any one of the event A, B, or C. An outcome 0, 0, 0 can also be the outcome of event D. So event D and A are not mutually exclusive. Event D and event B, the outcome 0, 0, 1 are common to both events. So event D and B are not mutually exclusive. Likewise, event D and event C, we can come up with an outcome, for example, 2, 0, 0, common to both events. And then for events E and A are mutually exclusive. In the second year, for event E, the number of disruption must be greater than or equals 1. But for event A, the number must be 0 in the second year. So event E and event A cannot occur simultaneously. And then event E and event C are mutually exclusive. The first number in event E must be 0, while the first number in event C must be greater than or equals 1. So event E and event C are mutually exclusive. From this, we can conclude that event A, C, and E are mutually exclusive. So the probability of the union of event A, C, and E equals the sum of their probabilities. You can further verify that event E and B are not mutually exclusive, and event D and E are mutually exclusive.